Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining dry and wet ingredients so the dough becomes cohesive and easy to handle. First, cream butter and sugar until light. This traps air and gives lift. Once done, beat in 1 egg and vanilla for structure and flavor. Then fold in measured flour and salt just until combined to avoid tough cookies. Make sure to scrape the bowl. That guarantees even mixing. Chill briefly if the dough gets sticky. It firms up and prevents excessive spreading. You now shape the cookies to control final texture and appearance. After chilling, roll dough to 1/4 inch thickness so edges bake evenly. Thicker dough yields softer centers. Use cutters and a thin spatula to move pieces to the prepared sheet, leaving about 1 inch between cookies for spread. Once arranged, chill the cut cookies 10 to 20 minutes. This firms fats, slows spreading, and preserves crisp edges. If you want uniform color, rotate the sheet halfway through baking for even browning. You finish by baking with attention. Timing affects chew versus crisp. Slide the sheet into the 350 degrees oven and check at 8 minutes. Remove when edges are lightly golden because carryover heat finishes the center. Once out, cool cookies 2 minutes on the sheet to set, then transfer to a rack so steam escapes and bottoms stay crisp. When fully cool, ice or sprinkle. If they spread excessively, chill the dough longer or lower oven temperature by 10 degrees to prevent flattening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.